Mihira, we need to closely monitor patient 452, Mr. Paul. He's at high risk for seizures due to his recent brain surgery. His sodium levels are slightly low, and he's been experiencing some fluctuations in blood pressure, both of which can trigger seizures.
I understand, Nino. I've already implemented seizure precautions. I've raised the bed rails, padded the side rails, and made sure suction equipment is readily available.
Good, but we need to be proactive. Educate his family about seizure first aid and the importance of calling for help immediately. Also, keep a close eye on his oxygen saturation levels. Sudden drops can precede a seizure. And Mihira, administer anti-seizure medication as ordered, but be prepared to assist with intubation if necessary.
I'll make sure the respiratory therapist is aware of the situation. We'll be ready for any eventuality.
Excellent. Remember, early intervention is crucial. Any signs of seizure activity, no matter how subtle, should be reported immediately. Mihira, after getting your vaccinations, it's quite common to experience some mild side effects, which are usually a sign that your body is building protection. You might notice a slight fever, some soreness or redness where you got the injection, or just feel a bit tired for a day or two. These are generally mild and don't last long. Please be assured that vaccines are very safe. They go through rigorous testing to make sure they protect you without causing serious harm. On the other hand, not getting vaccinated can carry significant risks, especially when you're traveling to new places. You could be exposed to illnesses that can be quite severe, potentially leading to hospitalization and disrupting your travel plans entirely. In some cases, these infections can even be life-threatening. Getting vaccinated is a really effective way to protect yourself from these serious risks and enjoy your travels with much greater peace of mind, knowing you've taken this important step for your health and well-being. So while some mild side effects can happen, the protection you get far outweighs the risks. We'll also give you clear advice on what to watch for after the vaccines, just to make sure you feel supported. Does that help reassure you a bit?